If you are a contractor, a home remodeler that's struggling to get leads every single day coming into their business, this video might be for you. Okay, so I have helped a lot of contractors in Malaysia specifically to attract leads into their business, and I'm going to show you the exact system on how I attract leads into my business, into every contractor's business, and how you can copy that as well. Okay, so this is going to be a 3-part mini series where I teach you A to Z, the exact system I use, so you can do it for yourself. Share this video to any other contractors that you know, because it will really be a huge help to them. Okay, so let me just hop onto my computer and then we can just go through the whole video. Okay, so this right here is you as the contractor. So I took a generic picture here, like every other contractor that I've met. Most of them usually have a beard, and they don't have the top hat there, but they have the beard. The construction hat is secondary. Okay, so this right here is you, and you are trying to get these people right here, homeowners, basically people who want to remodel their home, remodel their kitchen, their bathroom, their house in general. But the problem right now is, in order for you to go from here to here, you have a obstacle. Okay, you have an obstacle that's in between where you want to be, and that obstacle is none other than these people. These people right here are your obstacle. So who are they? Well, they are you. They're essentially people just like you. Every other contractor under the sun is bidding for these homeowners right here. Okay, so these people right here, one second. So these people right here are your enemies. Also, basically every other contractor who can do the same thing as you for these homeowners. Now, the problem right now is you are competing against every other contractor under the sun in your specific area, and that's hard. I'm not gonna lie, that's hard. So instead of competing against them, you find another way to get the leads, or maybe get through the homeowners. So some contractors that I know, what they do is they'll buy leads on Angie's List. The problem with Angie's List is, and third-party websites, is the leads that they give you, they're also giving to all the other contractors in that local area. So at the end of the day, Angie's List is not really gonna work. So some of you, well, most of you rely on referrals. Okay, and referrals are good, not gonna lie, because they're easy to close. But the problem with referrals is it's pretty much unpredictable. You don't know when they're gonna come. You don't know from where they're gonna come from. Okay, so that's the thing. And then as a last resort, what you guys do is, or maybe you do is, you join in Facebook groups, a lot of Facebook groups in your local area, and then you'll find for one customer who will make a post looking for a contractor. So I'm going to show you an example right here. This is a screenshot where I took from one of the Facebook groups in Houston, Texas, and look right there. This is a homeowner. Oops, let me just use red for this. This is a homeowner. Now it's an anonymous participant, a homeowner looking for a demolition team. A team for demolition for their foreclosed damaged 2-bedroom condo in this specific area. Okay, and look at the amount of comments this post get. Every other post in the group will get like 1 to 2 comments, but any post that's looking for a contractor will have close to this many people fighting for that customer. So for this example, or in this exact post right here, there's like 63 other contractors fighting for that one job. It doesn't really matter whether it's a demolition job, a home remodeling job, a kitchen remodel, whatever job there is, there will always be another contractor bidding or fighting for that job. And that's going to be hard on you because you're competing with a lot of other people just for one job. You might be wondering, who am I and why am I even talking to you guys? Well, you don't have to trust me. I am from Malaysia, and I help contractors in Malaysia to build a system that gets a lot of leads, and then I teach them how to close those leads. So this is basically who I am. I'm just a guy who helps connect contractors with homeowners that need a contractor. So it doesn't matter whether it's HVAC, home remodeling, kitchen remodeling, fencing. If you're a contractor that needs a job, I'm that guy. I help connect you guys with homeowners directly. And when I say directly, I'm talking literally directly. I teach you how to find them. I teach you how to attract them. I teach you how to set meetings with them. I teach you how to close them A to Z. And you do this every single day on autopilot. So, like, yeah, that's what I do. So, I've gotten people in Malaysia results just like this. So, let me just show you guys. Yeah, so this is an example of one of my earliest clients, a contractor in Malaysia. I got them, we started on the 9th of September, and my system went live. I created a system for them. And from that point onwards, we booked this client or this guy meetings every single day, Monday to Friday for 2 weeks straight. Okay, this is the kind of results I give my clients. Okay, this is also a screenshot of the Calendly. Basically, the clients, and keep in mind, these are leads that book meetings with us. It's not like we get the leads and then we call them. It's we get the leads and those leads willingly set meetings with us or the contractor. Okay, so this is a screenshot of all those events or all those meetings booked. Pretty good, pretty straightforward. And yeah, here are some screenshots of my clients just showing me, telling me how much they made in that month. So here 150 grand, here 300 grand, and here clients homeowners actually paying the deposit, and then my clients are like telling me that I've got ample of results, but end of the day, it's not about me, it's about you. I'm just showing you who I am and what I do and how I can help you. Okay, so yeah, that's who I am. I'm just a guy who helps connect contractors with homeowners looking for contractors. That's it. And I do that using the remodel leads system. It's pretty much very simple. I'm going to make everything very simple for you guys. But what is the remodel lead system? Well, the remodel lead system is this. This triangle is going to be the most important triangle that you guys are going to remember, because if you understand this triangle right here, you will understand how it is to grow a contracting or construction business. Every angle of this triangle is very important. Okay, so number one, you need to have a consistent pipeline of leads coming into your business. And when I say leads, quality leads. You need to have a consistent quality pipeline of leads coming into your business every single day. Okay. Number two, you need to be good at sales. You need to learn how to sell without being salesy. If you can sell without being salesy, all those leads that you got, you can easily close the deal. And finally, third of all, and this is like the most important, trust automation. What trust automation actually is a system that helps you build trust with your clients. That's pretty much it. Because you are competing against every other contractor under the sun in your area. If you can be top of the mind in your client's mind using this system, the trust automation, your clients are going to choose you over everyone else, even if your prices are a little bit more higher. That's it. So this is a system that helps you be top of mind in your client's mind. Basically, it's making you the number one contractor in your client's mind. That's all there is, and that's all that you need. Okay, so this is going to be a 3-part mini series where I'm going to teach you each and every one of these so you can start getting clients to your business on autopilot. Okay, so let's start with the first one, leads. I'm going to show you how to get consistent leads coming into your business on autopilot. Now, I want you guys to really put everything aside. Whatever you've learned throughout the years doing contracting, I want you to put everything aside. I want you to just understand this. The only way for you to actually get quality clients is for them to come to you. You need to get your clients to come to you instead of you finding them. So, for an example, if you see a Facebook post, so this is a Facebook post. This Facebook post is basically the Facebook post that you see in the groups where a homeowner says a homeowner is looking for a contractor or home remodeling company to do a remodel of their house. So they make a Facebook post in one of the groups. This is a customer looking for a contractor. When a customer is looking for a contractor, that's going to be like, just like the screenshot I showed you earlier, 67 plus contractors bidding. And that's just going to be hard on you because you are competing against 67 other contractors. So instead of going to your clients or going to your customers, you want to get your customers to choose you. You want to get your customers to come to you. And the way you do that is by offering something to them first, something that would attract them. So it's just like this metaphor. If you have a light bulb outside and you just let it on outside, you are bound to attract flies. Okay, it's the fly trap light bulb thing. Okay, it's the same thing. If you have something to offer, you're going to attract those customers. Okay, so you have to give first in order for you to get, or you have to do something to attract them first, and then they will come to you. And that's what I'm going to show you now. Okay, so just like this one, when you attract those flies, in this example I'm just going to use flies, you attract those flies and then they hit this light bulb, you need to catch them. Okay, you need to catch these flies. So this is a box. Okay, so when the flies hit the light and then it falls down, you need something to catch them. Okay, so this is the best metaphor I can give you guys. It doesn't really matter, but this is how it's supposed to be. You have to attract the flies, or you have to attract your clients or the leads, and then you have to capture them. That's basically it. That's how you're supposed to get leads coming into your business every single day. When you have a system that not only attracts but captures them, that's it. You're set for life. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so this right here is how you're going to attract people. I'm not sure whether you've heard of a landing page, but a landing page is very important right now. You just need one simple landing page, or you can call it a website. I just call it a landing page, to capture all your leads. And I'm going to show you an example of a landing page. And don't worry, I'm going to give you the template to this landing page so you guys can just edit it and then keep it for yourself. Okay, so here's an example of a landing page that I designed for a contractor here in Malaysia. And this is already done, ready for you to just start running ads or start pushing content towards this landing page. Okay, that's it. You need a thing. This landing page is basically the thing that captures your leads. The ad is basically the thing that attracts your leads to the landing page. That's it. Okay, whatever it is, this is Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. It can be paid ads, as in like Meta ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or it could be organic content. It doesn't really matter. If you want fast results, it's really advisable for you guys to do paid ads. Okay, so I'll make a separate video on that later on. But now you can always create organic content and push them to a page that collects their information. Okay, so this is the landing page. The landing page is for you to collect your clients' information or the leads' information, just like their name, email address, and also their phone number. So here's an example of a landing page that's already pre-built for you guys. The copywriting here is already done for you. Okay, all you have to do is set it up. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna give this template for you guys for free. All you have to do is just edit the words, like right here, 200 ringgit, 200k. This is in ringgit Malaysia, which is Malaysian ringgit, the currency in Malaysia. All you have to do is just change this to USD. So design and build your house or whatever it is that you want to build. Just change the words, play around the words. Design and build your entire kitchen, or design and remodel your entire kitchen within 8k budget in just 21 days. That's an example for you home remodelers. Excuse me. Okay, so all you have to do is just change it. Okay, and this button right here will bring all those leads. So if you click on this, it will actually capture the leads. Okay, so all you have to do is just change the pictures here, put in your own pictures, your own password. Okay, scroll down, put in a picture of you and your team. Okay, edit the name here and whatnot. Put a bit more testimonials here, and then down here there's a section where you can just get a free quote and put your clients can just put in their number. That's it. Okay, you can, all of this is fully customizable, and I'm going to show you how you can get this for free. Okay, I'm going to give you this 100% for free, so you can set it up on your own. All you have to do is go to this website right here, system.io. Okay, systeme.io. Search system.io, and I want you to click on get my free account. Okay, enter in your email address and go through the process, and you will create your free account. Okay, once you've logged into your account, all you have to do now is click the link, the template link in the description below. So I've added a link so you guys can just get the landing page template. Click on that, and then it will automatically pop up onto your system.io dashboard. So the way you find out, once you click the link, the way you find your landing page is under websites and then under sales funnels, and that's it. So there'll be an example. Click on the one, there'll only be one what's this template right there. Click on that, and then this is the page that you will see. Okay, if you want to edit the page, all you have to do is click on edit page, and this is where you can edit your page. So everything is fully drag and drop and customizable, that you can change the wordings here according to your company. So it's fully customizable. Just edit. I'm not going to show you how to edit them. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on how you can edit them. So in case you don't have a website on your own, take this, man, use this. Okay, and then click on save changes. That's it. Okay, so now you have your own landing page. Okay, you have your own landing page to collect the information, okay, to capture all your leads. But how do you actually attract them? Okay, I made a private video on how to make paid advertising. Okay, there's a lot of videos on creating organic content on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can watch that on YouTube. But I made a specific video on how to run meta ads to attract leads into your pipeline. So I'm going to give you that video privately. All you have to do is go to the description below. There'll be a link to my Facebook profile. All you have to do is DM me on Facebook, and I want you to DM me this word right here. DM me that word right there, and I'll send you the link to the full Facebook ads tutorial on how you can attract like unlimited leads into your funnel. Okay, now, so you have your landing page ready that's going to collect all the leads, name, email, and phone number. All you have to do now is call them. Okay, so that's it. You have the first part of the system done, leads. All you have to do now is call them. Okay, so in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you the second part of the system, which is sales. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to sell without being salesy, and this is like the best part. So stay tuned for the second video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the second video.